Hello everyone, I Jashandeep Kaur presenting my topic antibiotic as chemical residue in milk. So let's begin with antibiotic. Antibiotic is a drug used to treat infections caused by bacteria and other microorganisms. Originally, an antibiotic was a substance produced by one microorganism that selectively inhibits the growth of another. Antibiotics are a boon for the maintenance of the health of the cattle as well as human beings. So the question arises, how do antibiotic residues enter the milk supply? Indiscriminate use of these life-saving products, that is antibiotics, has created problems in the dairy as well as food industry due to their residues coming to milk and meat. Dairy cattle that have been treated with antibiotics produce milk containing antibiotic residues for a period of time after treatment. Treated cows are therefore required to be excluded from the milk supply for a specific time period to ensure that antibiotic residues no longer remain in their milk. मीन्स जो इन्फेक्टेड काउस होती हैं हम उनको एंटीबायोटिक्स देते हैं और फिर उस ट्रीटेड काउस को हम एक्सक्लूड कर देते हैं फ्रॉम द मिल्क सप्लाई फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड के लिए। लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है, या फिर एंटीबायोटिक रेसिड्यूज़ जो होते हैं वो एंटर कर जाते हैं मिल्क सप्लाई में बिकॉज द ट्रीटेड काउज आर रिटर्न टू मिल्किंग हर्ड अर्ली or when a cow retains antibiotic residues in her system for an extraordinary length of time. Now, why are antibiotic residues are of concern? Antibiotic residues in milk may lead to severe allergic reactions in sensitive consumers, and it also changes the consumer perception of milk, means it makes the milk unpure and adulterated. It may also increase the resistance to pathogenic bacteria. All of these concerns may result in major economic losses to dairy industry. Now there are classification of antibiotics which are 5. First one is aminoglycosides, second is beta lactam compounds, third is macrolides, fourth is sulfonamides, and fifth one is tetracyclines. Now let's study about this antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance happens when bacteria change and become resistant to antibiotics used to treat the infections they cause. Means जो हम antibiotics काऊ या किसी को भी दे रहे हैं so that it kill the infection caused by it, वही बैक्टीरिया उस एंटीबायोटिक के रेसिस्टेंट हो जाता है, मीन्स उसका उसके ऊपर कोई असर नहीं होता. How it spreads? Like this is antibiotics which is given to the patients, which can result in drug resistant bacteria developing in the gut, and this patient when it attends the hospital or clinic, and this drug resistant bacteria will be spread by the patients through poor hygiene or unclean facilities. Next is maximum residue limit, MRL. It means the maximum concentration of residue resulting from the use of veterinary medicinal product which may be accepted to be legally permitted or recognized as acceptable in or on a food. कोई भी एंटीबायोटिक जो भी होता है उसका एक स्पेसिफिक MRL होता है, यानी कि उसकी एक लिमिट होती है उसके रेसिड्यू की जो कि एक्सेप्टेबल होती है फूड में, बट उसकी कंसंट्रेशन से ज़्यादा एक्सेप्ट नहीं की जाती एंड इट मे कॉज टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट्स ऑन द ह्यूमन हेल्थ. These are the list of some antibiotics and their MRL. Means like benzyl penicillin, its MRL limit is 4, ampicillin it's also 4, and here it is streptomycin which is of 200. Type of antibiotic residue test. First one is microbial test and second one is fast test. Its name indicates that it takes few minutes, and the microbial test one takes 3-hour test. The result is declared when if the color changes from purple to yellow, it indicates the absence of antibiotic residues, while persistence of purple color indicates presence of antibiotic residues above the MRL level. So how to prevent residues in the milk? So we have to follow some good practices at firm. First one is we have to keep some record of the treatments to which cow the treatment is given and to which cow it is not. And the cow which has been treated should be identified by something like any tag or any paint on her leg or tail, and isolate them from the other cows. And we should always keep the farm where the cows are kept, it should be clean, and attention is to be given to the fresh calves, and discard the milk of 4 quarter also when only 1 quarter received antibiotic. And the equipments also should be fully washed with detergent and disinfectant before the next use. So thank you.